You can really say less than you saying because I already know how to turn a little bit into a lot. I've been thinking about my food waste when making products. For instance, the elderberry lemonade. Oh my God, it is so good. But I thought about all of that lemon that usually gets tossed away. Like there's still lots of pulp, lots of juice, and lots of nutrients. So I got myself a food dehydrator, and this is gonna take a while because they're kind of chunky, especially, yeah, that piece right there. That one I coated in sugar. The rest are just plain. We're gonna see how they toast up. I've got some lemon zest in there and mango skin. Now I've got a couple of purposes for the mango skin and lemon already, but I know this is gonna be a saver and I'm gonna feel a lot better when I'm making products, finding additional products. Listen to that crunch. Out of products I'm already using. Now, this has been about 24 hours of drying time, and not all of it is completely dry. Those chunky pieces of sugared lemon wedges still have a while to break down, and I doubt they're going to get completely dry. What I'm doing now is just sifting through the rest of my dried lemon peel and sugar wedges. I'm going to give it a few more minutes of drying time in the convection oven. I can't believe how great these turned out. I'm tossing the bigger pieces in the oven for a few minutes just to pull a little more of that moisture out. Now onto that mango skin. I've got a couple of purposes for this mango skin, and I purposely left some of the pulp and mango meat attached to the skin. This part is going to be added to a tea blend, and this mango powder. I can add a real mango to that tea blend and use my French press for a nice tea. The mango powder, oh gosh, and did I tell you how fragrant it is? It smells so good. You're gonna have to wait on the mango powder, okay? I'll let you know about that later. Meanwhile, the lemons are looking good. They're sounding good. They're crumbling. Some of the bigger pieces, the sugar pieces, still need a little more time to dry out, but I don't have to worry about that so much. This is going to do just nicely for another tea blend. Stay tuned for part 2 when I dry out some cleaned sea moss to use in a skincare routine. Healing in your hands from sugar pearls and food that loves you back.